In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on GoCharting. We'll start by opening the drawing tools. On your chart screen, find the Drawing Tools menu, usually on the left toolbar or along the top bar. This panel holds icons for lines, shapes, annotations, and measurements. With the tools visible, pick what fits your task. In Lines and Measures, Drawline creates a simple straight line for trend lines. Horizontal line marks a fixed price level for support or resistance. Vertical line pins a date or time on the chart. Ray extends infinitely in one direction to project trends forward. For shapes and levels, use parallel channel to map trend channels with upper and lower boundaries. Polyline or path lets you build multi-segment or free-form lines to outline patterns. Position tools, like a long position marker, help sketch trade ideas and risk to reward directly on the chart. Other options include the brush or highlighter for quick freehand notes. The measure tool shows price distance, percent change, and bar count between 2 points. Magnet mode snaps endpoints to nearby highs, lows, or closes for accuracy. To draw, click a tool to activate it, then click where you want to start. Drag to place the next point and click again to complete the drawing. For polylines or paths, keep clicking to add segments and double-click to finish. For precision, zoom in before placing anchors and enable magnet mode to latch onto candles. If points feel off, toggle magnet mode on while placing anchors, then turn it off for freehand tweaks. Anchor trend lines to clear swing highs or lows. For horizontal lines, align with repeated touch points to mark stronger levels. With channels, set the first line along the main trend and use the parallel side to capture the opposite boundary. After placing a drawing, customize or edit it. Right-click to open its menu and adjust color, style, or thickness so it stands out against your chart. Refine placement by dragging endpoints, or select the object and press Delete to remove it. Practice these moves and your charts will become clearer and more actionable.